This week we are talking about kinds of sentences. So first let's review what are sentences. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and has a subject and a predicate. There are 4 kinds of sentences we're going to talk about this week, and we're going to focus on 2 of them today. The 2 we're focusing on today are statements and questions. And I bet before I even flip to the next slide that you already know what a statement and a question is, so you're ahead of the game. A statement can also be called a declarative sentence. You can say the word declarative to get used to saying it. It's kind of a difficult, funny word. So in this week, if I say statement or if I say declarative, it means the same thing. They're the same. It is a sentence that tells something. It's just a statement, and it always ends with a period. So for example, moose are tall. Questions can also be called an interrogative sentence. Say interrogative. So questions and interrogative are the same. Declarative and statements are the same. It is a sentence that asks something, and it always ends with a question mark. So, for example, what are the tallest mammals? And you can see there's a question mark on the end of that sentence. What kind of sentence do you think this is? What does a moose eat? Well, here are the questions you need to ask yourself. Well, is the sentence telling something or asking something? If you said asking something, you're exactly right. What does the sentence end in? Look at the punctuation at the end. There's the punctuation. What is that? That's a question mark. So this sentence is an interrogative sentence. It's also called a question. All right, here's another one. Moose have an excellent sense of smell. Is the sentence telling something or is it asking something? You're exactly right. It's telling something. What does the sentence end in? What is that? Punctuation. It's a period. So if it tells you something and it ends in a period, it is a declarative sentence, also called a statement. For your practice questions, you are going to identify if the sentence is a statement or declarative sentence or a question interrogative sentence. Rewatch the video if you don't understand or need the definitions one more time.